first grade, we're going to be doing some subtraction with regrouping, and I'm going to go over our poem so that it can help us. So here we go. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more from your tens, please. Numbers the same, 0 is your game. Remember, if the numbers are same, if you have 5 and you take away 5, it's going to be 0. So that's 0 is your game. All right, so let's get started with some subtraction with regrouping, because I still see that some of my first graders are still having a little bit of a hard time with this, so we need to do a few more extra practices together. That's okay, we're going to get it. The more practice you do, the better it's going to become, I promise. All right, so really practice those math facts. You really need to know your addition and your subtraction math facts. Remember our fact families. All right, so here we go. We're going to have 93 take away 58. Now, if there's more on the top, we don't need to stop, but there's not. There's only 3. Can we take 8 away when we only have 3? No. So more on the floor, we need to go next door and get 10 more. So you need to go over to your tens place, knock on your neighbor, and borrow 10. So go to your 9, and you need to borrow. So we're going to cross this out. He's going to become an 8, because you have to give that bundle of 10 to your 3. They need 10. So now this is 13. Now you can subtract, now that you have 13. So 13 take away 8 equals 5. Now 8 take away 5 equals 3. Great job. Let's do another one. Here we go. Let's do 72 take away 47. All right. Notice we have 2. We can't take 7 away. We only have 2. So we need to knock next door to our neighbor. Go to the tens. Mr. 7, I need a 10. Okay, because they're always good at sharing. So this now becomes a 6 because you took a bundle away, and now you're giving it to the 2. So now this becomes a 12. So 12 take away 7 is 5. And then 6 take away 4 is 2. Nice job. Let's do another one. You're on a roll. You're doing so great. All right, so let's do it. Let's do 81 take away 65. Okay, so if we have 1, can we take 5 away? No. We can't. Why? Because there's more on the floor. So we have to go next door and get 10 more from our tens place, because we only have 1. Can't take 5 away when you only have 1. So go to your tens place, the 8. Cross that out. That becomes a 7 because you're taking a bundle away. From our tens place, you're giving it to the 1. So now this is going to be 11. So 11 take away 5 is going to be 6, and 7 take away 6 is going to be 1. Your answer is 16. All right, last one. Here we go. You're doing so great at these. All right, here we go. Let's see. 60. Let's do 64 take away 38. All right. Again, 4. We only have 4. We can't take 8 away. There's more on the floor, so we need to go next door to our neighbor, because we can't take 8 when we only have 4. All right. So go next door. Cross out the 6. This becomes a 5 because we had to take a bundle away. And then that bundle of 10 goes next door. So now we have 14. Now we can take 8 away. Okay, 14 take away 8, 6. So we gotta really know our math facts. 5 take away 3, 2. Good job. There we go. Nice job. Let's do one more. 99 take away 36. Now, our number on top is bigger. If we have 9, we can take 6 away, so we don't need to borrow. So 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. All right, so I just wanted to show a subtraction where we didn't have to regroup, because remember, if there's more on top, no need to stop. But more on the floor, we need to go next door and get 10 more from our 10s. Numbers the same, 0 is your game. We forgot to do one with the numbers were the same. Let's do one really quick with the numbers the same. So I want you to do your zeros your game. 85 take away 25. Why? Because if you got 5 and you take 5 away, that's 0. 8 take away 2, 6. So see, the numbers are the same. 0 is your game. All right, great job, first grade. Keep practicing subtraction with regrouping. Remember, if there's more on the floor, you need to go next door and get 10 more. The number on top is smaller. You have to go to your neighbor. And your neighbor always shares their 10s. All right, great job. Bye.